Today we're setting the limits on a Merlin MR650 roller door opener. As you can see on this door, it's not traveling the whole way up to the top of the track. So we're going to reset that right now. But first we need to make sure the door is engaged into the motor. If not, pull your manual release cable. So just check your door is locked in. As you can see, this one is now in manual. So pull the manual release cord and ensure the door is locked in. Now onto the motor, there's a few buttons here. We've got one called LMT, which is the limit button, and one called LRN, that's for learning the remote controls, and we've got the operate button in the center. So we're gonna focus on the limit button, LMT, and hold this down for a few seconds. You'll see the right-hand bank of LEDs lights up. It's only flickering because of the camera. So this means the door's on the right-hand side of the roller door. If the left hand is illuminated, that means the motor should be on the left-hand side of the door. So if yours is on the incorrect side, you need to push the two buttons, limit and learn, together at the same time. We'll try that again. And now the left-hand side is illuminated. So the motor thinks it's on the left-hand side of the door. So if yours is incorrect, press these two buttons in at the same time until the right-hand side or the correct side is illuminated. Press limit again and hold it down and the door will travel to the up direction. That's because it's on the right-hand side. Now when you've got it to the height that you need or want, press the operate button, the green one. The door will start to close. But now immediately press the limit button and that will stop the door's travel, and then we can manually adjust the limits by going up with the limit button and down with the learn button. So we're going to manually drive it down with the learn button. Ideally, we just want the door to squash on the weather seal. So hold the learn button down until you almost reach the bottom, and then just inch it down until we make a nice seal. That looks pretty good. We've got no gaps unless your concrete is uneven. Then just squash it down on the highest point. So now we're going to press the operate button, and that's going to drive the door open and set the open force margin or the sensitivity of the motor. So when it hits an object like your tow bar, it will cut out. Now go down with the operate button and this will set the down force margin as indicated by the yellow or orange LED right there. So if the door does happen to come down on your car or another object, it will know how much force it needs to stop and reverse again. Okay, so now the LEDs have stopped flashing and the orange light's gone out. We know that the limits and sensitivity have been set on the Merlin MR650. Beauty. Now I'm going to run you through how to manually set the force margin or sensitivity of your motor, and this is done by pressing the learn button 2 times until the orange LED flashes, and then simply press the operate button. The door will run through an open cycle, setting its sensitivity to the weight of your roller door. Very similar to when we've done the limits. So when the door is open, press the operate button once more while the orange LED is illuminated, and this will set the down sensitivity weight of your roller door. And that's it, very simple. So that's how you do the limits and force margin sensitivity of your Merlin MR650. I'm that roller door bloke, thanks for watching.